When we're out in a crowd, laughing loud and nobody knows why. When we're lost at a club, getting drunk and you give me that smile. Going home in the back of a car and your hand touches mine.
Ay, matapos sir, may deliver po kayo eh. Kayo daw po
When
ang
we're
magpo po sir.
done making love and you look up and give me those eyes,
Sir, po.
'cause all of the small things that you do.
Magandang araw po, Sir Joshua. Sir, kayo po kasi Sir Joshua, baka namali po kami ng puntayan. So, ayun po, Sir, happy birthday po, Sir Joshua. From Cake Sighting Card Drop Surprise po, ay binabati po namin kayo ng maligayang kaarawan. At dahil po, Sir, kayo po ang bida ngayon, lahat po ng surprise ang ito po, Sir, ay para po sa inyo. May idea po
Umiyak ka ba?
Iiyak
ka?
Tama naman, Sir, yung hula ninyo. At dahil nga, Sir, kayo po ang bida ngayon, umpisa po natin ang yung sorpresa sa tatlong logo. Siyempre po, I love you daw po, sabi po ni Sender. So, ayun po, siyempre, meron din po kayong regalo sa aking Sender. Meron pa po tayong food po sa loob na yun na po nagkasya dito. May mags po kayo, Sir, Jean. At, siyempre po, meron din po kayong tongue chaser. At sabi po nila, ng mga friend nyo, favorite nyo daw po ito. So, ayun po, Sir. Of course, Sir, meron din po kayong cake. At pag nakita nyo naman po yung dedication, alam nyo naman ang music ko kung kanino galing. Ayun po, Sir. At Sir, hindi na lang po babae kayo na nagbibigay ng bulaklak. Pati po, syempre po, hindi po lalaki nagbibigay ng bulaklak, pati po rin ng mga babae. Papasahin ko na rin po, Sir, sa inyo ang message po ng Sender. Happy birthday for my special boyfriend. Alam na agad, Sir. The source of my happiness and the one who completed my life. First, I just want to say thank you for being good and understanding boyfriend. Today is your day. Greetings message can express how much I love you. I wish I have an amazing day that's full of happiness and blessed. Thank you and blessed. Thank you for being everything. Hope your special day will bring you a lot of happiness and fun. Ko na pilong po Keep trusting and believing in God. I know I'm not a perfect, but thank you for accepting my imperfection and flaws. I really appreciate you. Thank you for making me happy every day, and this is the best thing that happened to my life. But also the many moments you have brought to my life, you and my boyfriend, my best friend, and most especially my best enemy. Tagalog naman, hirap mag-English. Kanima, magmumamali ko na mahal kita kahit na minsan di tayo magkaintindihan. Alam mo naman yung mga bagay na ayaw kong mangyari. Nandito lang ako, di kita iiwan. Basta nandito lang ako lagi para sa'yo dahil alam ko ganun ka din sa akin. Magtulungan lang tayong dalawa. Kahit ano pang pagsubok ang dumating sa atin, kakayanin natin yan. Ikaw ang the best boyfriend. I pray will grant you a long life and give you more years to live the world so that we will be together, celebrate many more birthdays to come. May God continue to bless you and your family. I'll always be here no matter what happens. No more long sweet message because you already know how much I'm so blessed and thankful to have you. Enjoy your special day. Wish you all the best and blessed birthday. Have a great day and take care always. Once again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day, love. I love you.
Happy birthday!
So, ayun, Sir, ano po ang masasabi niyo kay Ma'am?
Maraming salamat.
Ay! Tapos nga. Yung tagas talaga mamaya. Ay, Sir, ito mali.
Iyak na, iyak na.
When we're apart,
Happy birthday to you.
I close
Happy birthday to you.